We're very concerned. We want parents to take this seriously.
And we start with this serious illness hitting the town of Windsor hard. And parents worried about the dangerous rise in whooping cough there. 8 children diagnosed in a month in the Windsor area. That's more cases than most years. Jacqueline Allen live in Weld County. And Jacqueline, you found out even more concerning the number of cases that haven't been diagnosed yet.
That's right, Eric, because for every case diagnosed, doctors estimate another 9 to 10 cases that aren't diagnosed, which means that in Weld County, there could be hundreds of people walking around right now with whooping cough. In this Mayo Clinic video, the telltale sound of whooping cough. In Windsor schools, it's the sound every parent fears.
Yes, I am concerned for my grandson.
Mary Schwent's 10-year-old grandson goes to Mountain View Elementary, where 3 children have been diagnosed in the last month.
That's real scary.
At the Weld County Health Department, they're tracking whooping cough, also known as pertussis, usually 5 cases a year. Already this year, they've had 116. Why are we seeing this increase?
Well, there's a number of factors, but primarily, we just need to get folks to get vaccinated or get their vaccines up to date.
But in Windsor, a district nurse tells 7 News most of the kids who've contracted whooping cough had been vaccinated. The immunity from the vaccine wears off over time, so adolescents and adults need boosters. Does the vaccine work?
The vaccine actually does work. However, some people may still get pertussis, but it'll be a much milder form.
With whooping cough at 3 Windsor elementary schools and the high school.
He gets his shots.
Mary says her grandson is protected. She's worried about those who've chosen not to get their kids vaccinated and is thinking about getting a shot herself. And that's a good idea. Doctors recommend what they call cocooning. That means parents, grandparents, and caregivers all get their shots as well to help put a cocoon of protection around children. Now, here's what to watch for. A cough that lasts more than 2 weeks, you should go in and get tested because there are antibiotics that will help ease those symptoms. Reporting live, Jacqueline Allen, 7 News.